Calibrated measurement microphone for audio system tuning. Unique calibration file for each product. Plug-and-play driverless installation for Windows, Mac, Linux and iDevices. Compatible with Dirac Live and REW. Mini tripod, USB cable, windscreen included in padded box. Top reviews from the United States. It's been fascinating to use this with tie-free REW software and measure the frequency response of my home theater subwoofer and speakers. It's already allowed me to see how much outpuy my subwoofer had in different positions. I also saw some shocking nulls around 70 and 85 Hz, which I can now use my sub-manufacturer's app, SVS, to correct. The microphone was instantly recognized by Windows 7, and REW automatically detected it and prompted for a calibration file which I quickly found on the manufacturer's site. My buddy now wants to buy one and the Amazon price seems pretty fair. Note: the website says the mic measures down to 20 Hz, but I emailed the manufacturer and they said it is capable down to 5 Hz, and the calibration files go down to 10 Hz. Awesome. Should be sufficient for any home theater.